let's see what question 9 is. Question 9. Question 9 is draw a well-labeled diagram of an antibody. Okay. So, to draw this, remember the shape Y or zipper fashion. Okay. Make sense? Let's see. See? Same. Okay. Now, there are two chains in an antibody. One of them is heavy chain. Okay. Okay. So this is your heavy chain. This is your light chain. Okay. So insides are of heavy chain and outside is your light chain. Now this region is known as variable of light chain. Variable region on light chain, and this region is always constant. Same goes over here. There are disulfide bridges. What? This is a disulfide bridge, and you will find that where? Inside over here like this. So these are disulfide bridges. Okay, students? Now, these regions are constant region of heavy chain. Constant region of heavy chain, and these are variable region of heavy chain. Okay? Okay, students? Done. Now, remember, there are disulfide bridges on each side of constant and light chains. Like this. Okay? Just note that this is heavy chain and this is your light chain, and write antibody. Structure of an antibody. This sides over here, on both the sides, are different in each type of antibody, and thus they are known as antigen binding sites. So let's start with antigen binding sites. The outer regions are both light chain. The top region of both the light chain is known as variables, and the bottom one is constant region. The inner one is light chain. The portion down is constant of a heavy chain, and above is the variable region of the heavy chain. Now there are disulfide bridges. These are disulfide bridges. And lastly, remember to write structure of an antibody. So students, we are done with question number 9.